Hello traders, this is Mark from Trading Academy. Just fast introduction. We are a team of traders. We trade forex, futures, stocks and cryptocurrencies. You must stay here because in this video we post our daily analytics, the best scenarios you can open the trade in line with our horizon strategy. If you are interested in our horizon strategy, just smash the link below the video, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar at certain time and date. The webinar is interactive. You can ask me any question you want regarding the horizon strategy. I will be there to explain you more in detail our patterns and our scenarios. I would like to also encourage you to go to our social media channels like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, where we post our daily results and much more about our thinking about the market, and you can learn from this channel for free. If you will have any question during the video, just put your question below the video in the comment section and we will be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And if you like this video content, just smash the like button. So I think this is all for the introduction. Let's go directly to analytics. The first pair I would like to talk about is US dollar Swiss franc. You see these key levels of our horizon strategy. We have key reversal level here, we have key disbalance level here, and the horizon key reversal level. We open short based on this purple scenario, as you can see here, and we just have open position on this level, stop loss here, and take profit is here to this key reversal level. We've seen this rejection here I was talking about in our previous video, and this is one of our horizon scenarios, and we open short here exactly with our horizon timing. Another scenario is that if our thesis will be wrong, market could respect again the level above this key disbalance level. It means that balance changed and bulls are in control, and we would like to probably close the position with controlled loss. And then there is a higher probability that market in the end will go with this green scenario. Another market we picked is Euro USD. We are working here with several scenarios. As you can see, market is in general downtrend, so our main direction in line with our horizon strategy is short, of course, and we have these key levels. First horizon level is key breakout level, just here, and second one is key disbalance level, just here, and the last one is support, and this is key reversal level. So we are working with first scenario. This one is purple one, that market is able to do a bounce. At this level you can see that market has a problem with continuation of the movement. So this is one of the scenario, and we would like to find a short here at this key disbalance level. Another scenario is that market will go with this purple and is able to perform a fast breakout and consolidate above this key disbalance level. And we have two scenarios after that. The first one is that market will go directly to this consolidation, and we would like to time this trade with our horizon pattern. The second one is that market is not able to get back to this consolidation, and we would like to find probably long. The last scenario is here. It is about the breakout. We believe that if market is able to perform breakout, we would like to open short with higher probability in line with our horizon prior direction. Third market we picked for you is British pound US dollar. Market is in a strong uptrend since 3rd of May. Market is just going down, and we are working with two scenarios that we are just at key level. I will show you this horizon level is one day. I just switched to 1 day time frame, and you see that this is very important level, and we are just here at the price 1 0.26 and so on. Let's switch back to 1 hour time frame and let's see our scenarios. The first one is purple one. It's easy. Market is still in control by bears, and we would like to open short after breakout. If there will be some pullback here in this purple scenario, we would like to open the short position. And second scenario is that market will bounce, start consolidate like here. We would like to see false breakout, rejection of the price, and we would like to find a long position in line with our horizon timing. The second scenario is that market will reject this price below the key reversal level and will try to test this impulsive level of the horizon strategy. And at this key impulsive level, we would like to see consolidation. After our horizon formation is formed, we would like to open the long position. The last market we picked, it is S&P 500. Now the market is in a really interesting situation. At first, we have important fundamentals, form speeches, and tomorrow on 22nd of May, we will have important fundamental forms meeting minutes, where is a statement of forms from their meetings. So we expect some movement and really nice opportunities to make money in line with our horizon system. Now we are working with two scenarios. We have this key breakout level. You can see that at price 2861 market just retest this level, and we are working with this green one that market is able to hold above the level, and the purple one that market reject the level above and will try to break this trend line here, as you can see. This both scenario give us really nice opportunity with high risk reward ratio, and we can speculate at least to this key reversal level price 2886. The purple one also offers nice opportunity at least to this low structural level, with possibility that market will continue the movement at least to this level, which is key reversal level about 1800. On our social media channel, we post also our trades from stock markets, usually Nasdaq, and you can see how we time the trades with our horizon system in lower time frames, 30 seconds and 1 minute. So you will have an idea how we use these horizon scenarios we share with you in line with our professional, profitable horizon trading. This is the end of our daily analytics for today. I hope that you like it. I hope that you find this valuable. If you do so, just smash the like button. And if you had any question, I hope that you put your question directly below the video. If you are interested more in our horizon strategy, again, smash the link below the video and go directly to our webinar, where you can find much more. And again, I will be there to answer your questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, where you can find much more content for free. Thank you for your time, and meanwhile I wish you taking the best setups on Forex.